This session will discuss strategies and resources for developing vocabulary.
Then we're going to do some predicting by using our inference wall and the word wall.
When building vocabulary, first determine the critical terms to be explicitly taught. Keep the list short. Pick essential.
In this session, we will discuss the component strategies of the SIOP model. You may be familiar with Bloom's taxonomy that moves through 6 levels of increasing difficulty, beginning with knowledge and moving up to evaluation. Is the probe or the answer to the probe appropriate? If yes, then you can pose a new question. We matched can-do descriptors to scaffold learning for an English learner, and we discussed the importance of asking higher order questions.
In this session, we're going to continue to look at the 4th component of SIOP, strategies. We're going to look at various strategies to see what they...
Using DRTA, an instructor asks questions throughout a story, guiding students to make predictions.
Food, water, and shelter.
In this session, we're going to learn about and discuss the 5th component of SIOP, interactions.
On this slide, let's take a look at some considerations when grouping.
In this session, we're going to continue to learn about and discuss the 5th component of SIOP, which is interactions. We're going to watch a video on the second part of interactions.
Ample opportunities when possible. Only used to clarify the key concepts. This could be done with an aid through academic feedback and lower students' anxiety in the classroom. You could build a supportive learning environment by encouraging peer